chasing waves out here in Essaouira, Morocco right now. Let's get it.
Let's go, baby. Look at the waves. Look at the waves down there. Time to go. Look at this. Look at this.
Come on, yay!
This is Moroccan road, my shadow, baby. Look at the Rasta. Rasta man. Rasta man vibration. Move your Rasta man. Looks like a beautiful day. Sunny, beautiful waves. Can't complain. Beautiful day. Good waves, good weather, and good vibes.
That's the combo.
We swallow stars, the light fill up our chests, a constellation. Such love we had, but never did we rest. Pure elation. All we ever need is energy. All we ever need is energy.
The water is about 65 degrees Fahrenheit out here, which I think is about 18 degrees Celsius. So yeah, not too bad. We're rocking the 3-2 Volcom wetsuit. Stoked to be out here. Just knowing that you're surfing in Africa just like hits different, you know? Let's go get it. Woo! Warm water, sun is out, what? What a feeling! Beautiful day in paradise. The sun is shining and cannot complain. Can't complain, can't explain. Sorry about that. Let's go. We're back out here day 2 in Essaouira. Gonna go jump in, go enjoy it. And yeah, this is the surf scene here in Essaouira, Morocco. There's a lot of surf schools out. We got the homie Otman. Check this out. Looks not bad, huh? We're here, beautiful weather, sunny, beautiful temperature. We're not asking for more.
Am I out of luck? Am I waiting to break? When I keep saying it, I'm looking for